Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to place a trade on cTrader, and I'm also going to show you how to change from unit to lot size, because the default settings is you find out that it's on unit instead of the usual lot that you're used to. So first thing is you can actually place a trade from this page. You just click on this new order that is at the bottom right. Once you click on it, then it brings you to this page right here. So you can either place a market order, an instant market execution right here, or a limit order, either a buy limit or a sell limit, right? So right here you can actually select the symbol from here. You click right here and it shows you all the different symbols that you can trade. So let's assume you want to trade BTC USD. You click on it and then it brings you to where you can trade it. So right here you see we have either the sell or the buy. If you want to buy, you click here. Or you want to sell, you bring it here, and then you set the unit or the lot size. So right here it's showing unit, but I'm going to show you how to change it to lot size right at this point right here. So then you put in the price is going to be, if it's on the limit, you put in the entry price, and then you also select take profit, put in how many pips is your TP, and then stop loss, how many pips is your stop loss. Then it's going to estimate the price automatically excuse me, by itself. So if it's market execution, you just put in the lot or unit, and then you set your TP and your SL, then you place the trade. So let me show you how to change from unit to lot size, because a lot of you guys are used to lots, right? So you go back, click here, go to settings. When you are in settings, you go to assets, then you can now change it to lot size. So anywhere you see unit, you change it to lot. Now cryptocurrency, it's in unit, I'll change it to lot size. So that's how you change it. Forex, you change it, make sure it's in lot, make sure all of them are in lot. So that's it. You now go back. If we go to BTC USD, you'll see that it is now in lot size. So you see it's now in lot, so you can actually put the lot you're used to, let's say one standard lot, and then you place the trade. So that's just it, guys. Very straightforward. Let me buy insufficient for, let me reduce the lot 0.01 this order. Right, so I've placed the trade already. It's under position and it's running, as you can see right here. So that's it, guys. Very simple and straightforward. I hope you got value from this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.